Name is Ginger Singh Kang, and here is a 6002 CEM Mobile Development Coursework Mobile App Weather Mood Journal. As you see on main page, you see the current weather, and you see I'm in London, so it's be showing London clear sky weather. You just click on update the weather, and it's load and update the weather. And in the down of that, you can see that how you feel. Just click on your how you're feeling and click add entries. You can after that you can see view journals and your entry will be pop up here after a few seconds. And in the next page you see my account one. Like right now we are in a guest mode, which is storing everything on a local device, not on a that. Like you can see we already have 30 entries here and average mode and all the things. You can just click on log out or it's your are you sure? You just click on yes and then you out, out from that. And then if you have already have account, just log in. If you are not, if you don't want to, just continue as a guest. Or if you want to create an account, like save the data on server, just click on that and log in with your email address and then use username, password, continue the password and click on sign up. It take few seconds and then you have a message of successfully account created successfully. Click on that. You can update the weather now, no journals, and I just save one entry so we can see it. Yeah. In a my page, you can see your username, email address, when you like created the account, how many entries you have, average mood, and in the next one you have like 5 days weather forecast. You just click on get a weather. Like here we are in enter a country. We can put wherever you want. Just like put the manually enter your city. Just put the London again and click on that. That will be shown the weather's here. Yeah. In the statics one, it show the like you select the range last week, last month, all the times. Like we only have one entry and we have a high mood. It's using 1 to 5 ones. Like one is the worst mood and five is the you are very happy. One is you feeling sad. And in the bottom you see that all the other information which like when you have a lots of entry, it will be update automatically. You don't have to manually do anything in this one. In the next one, we have a chat feature here. It's a chat bot. You can see mood board, chat board, whatever you want to say. It will take some time. It's using Gemini API. Yeah, it's using Gemini API. And as you see, when you are first time, you see this one, and then you can enter whatever you want to ask. I just put hi first, and it's still model learning. So how much as much as you interact, it more get personalized for your data, like how you want to respond for that message, and it's like uh, mm, yeah. Here we go. Here we have a how we increase that. It's a great you are looking for that. It's showing all the process. How can you change lifestyles and all the purposes, values, what you can do to improve your mood, medications in case of something. It's all give you all information. It's not only limited to the like weathers or mood ones. You can ask anything. Like for right now, I just asked about ML, machine learning one, and it's like it will take some time loading, and yeah, here we go. ML stand for machine learning, and then we give you information about that and all the other things, how many applications for machine learning and all the things. And it's also using one kind of, we say, animation, like when we are scrolling up, it just fade up and pop up again. Yeah. In the next tab, we see the setting ones. Here we have a dark mode. We just click on that, and then it's just a little bit darker here. And when we go on a home page and come back on this page, it's like the color scheme is a little bit changes. And this one is dark, so we just click on the normal ones. And because it's not fully customized yet, and we can enable the notification, so it can show the notification on your app. So it's like you can feed your mode now after a few times and certain period of time. Yeah. And in the next one, here on a home page, you see there is a Firebase test. You click on that one. It's not for production. Like when we are in a final stage, we just removing this one. So it's not gonna be like permanently here. Here we can select, like, I just put my personal one, admin one, which I use for the author authorizations, and enter the password, then again login, just test. Yeah, it's stored in a database, as you see, and you can also test once, and it's also show the like that's available and all the things. Then we have a syncing option. You click on that one, and your data will be synced with the system. Oh, yeah, and now I show you that in a real time how it's working. In a real time on a server, a real time database where I'm using Firebase. So it's here. You have an anonymous test we run and all the information and what we add, email addresses, we added, and all the other information in database. For the authentication, we also have email address here added time by time. And for the testing, like I also use Postman. So here we have a Postman's ones and some of the Postmans and like getting API, what it's getting and all the things. Eh, yeah, that's it. That's it for my app for the database. And as you see, the journal and already see, you can also delete the entries if you want. I just want to delete this one, so we just clear the everything. Okay, thank you.